a brave little girl. Wow. Good job over there. Okay. I'm going to the class right now. Okay. Let's go to the class. So no swimming? Okay. I'm going to the class. You're welcome. So this is the way to class. Look at that. Wow. Really, I underestimate the cave. Seriously, I highly recommend for everyone. You must go to the cave first. Luckily, I went on a weekday, so the crowd is less. Even though it's weekday, right now maybe 20 people swimming over there. So, highly recommended cave. Completely worth it. Wow. Look at the fruit. Beautiful. Right now it's 4 o'clock. I need to fly drone. Get the drone shot. Then go home. Then go for the sunset today. For the sunset, Patar beach is best. Today the climate looks nice. I hope getting a good sunset. Wow. I like the trail. They kept the nature as much possible. Wow, I can see the giant cross over there. Wow. CCTV camera in action. Rules and regulations. Any person under influence of the alcohol is not allowed. Do not leave your children unattended. Do not leave your valuable anywhere. Do not attempt to climb when no staff on site. Children below 10 years old are not allowed. Wow. I can see that. Okay. This is the top. So if you go up only, you can see the view, but right now you cannot see the view. So extra 50 paisa worth it. Let's check it out. giant cross is not bad, but still the view is not there. If you want a view, you need to go 50 feet high. For that, you need to pay 50 pesos. I fly my drone, I saw the view. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Parking area, swimming pool. Let's go to the swimming pool. It's 4:20 already. I need 10 minutes to reach the Patar beach. Wow, I can hear the music. Ooh, poolside. Music. Woohoo! That's fine. Wow. Hello. DJ over there. No diving. No diving. Ready? Okay. Wow, thank you. These two guys, I already met them in Alumino's underline parking lot yesterday. I couldn't remember, but now I remember. But they know me already because of the hat and this thing. They're here. It is a very small world. If we leave from here another 5 minutes, we can maybe 10 minutes we can reach in Patar beach. Okay, it's almost like 5 o'clock. Going to close. We are also going to see the sunset in Patar beach. That is the main event today. I really love the Enchanted cave. Highly recommend for everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Will be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.